Can you say squirrel? Very good, Bishi. That was a really good squirrel. Can you say otter? Can you say groundhog? Very good. That was a good groundhog. Can you say armadillo? Very good, Vishi. Window. Another one, skunk. Alright, what's my name? What's your name? What's your sister's name? Anya. What's your brother's name? Chase Allen. Good job. What's your kitty cat's name? Good. That was good. Pantera, good job. Who went to go listen to the question? Who went to go pick up Jace Allen? Who? Mama. What's your full name? Bishi Bala. Alright, so we're going to convert the MP4 to an MP3. Can you say squirrel? We're going to take out each sound file, each word, name it. Very good, Bishi. That was a really good squirrel. Can you say otter? These are all the words we got. And we're going to do a batch audio normalizer. It's going to bring the volume up to an even level. This is our new word. It's otter. And Bishibala. These are all the extra wave files I have that I'm currently not part of my 7 words. And now we're going to do the main script. Here's the main script right here running. So here's our results. We got 4 out of 7, 57% correct. We got both Bishibalas. We got otter. We did not get dad. There were no animals in the test set. Groundhog we did not get. Window we got. And squirrel we did not get. But if you look down here, for dad it was the second guess. For groundhog it was the second guess. And for squirrel it was the third guess. So it actually got fairly close to all the words it missed.